From port a fishing vessel sails in the direction of 40 degrees for 24 kilometers, and then in the direction of 130 degrees for 7 kilometers. Calculate the bearing of the vessel from port A. Alright, so first of all, let's draw the diagram to represent the given problem. So we're going to be starting from point A, which is port A. So let's say this is port A, and the north line, so extend a little bit, and it says the bearing is 40. So we have here 40. It's 40 degrees, so not drawn to scale. And we were also given a distance, so 24 kilometers. Alright, so this is 24 kilometers. And then from here, we need to draw another point, and north line. And it says it sails again in the direction of 130 degrees for 7 kilometers. So that means from here, we need to measure an angle of 130 degrees. So if this is 180, then 130 will be, this is not drawn to scale. All right, guys, so this is, say, 130 degrees. And it gave us a distance of 7 kilometers. Let's say this is 7. All right, and this is where the fishing vessel is, and that distance is 7 kilometers. All right, and let's connect this to here. Okay, this one from where the fishing vessel is, so north line, and then calculate the bearing of the vessel from port A. So basically it's asking for, let me highlight in yellow, so this one, this angle right here is we need to find. But if you take a look at it, part of the answer is already given, which is 40 degrees, right? So what we need to find out is this smaller angle right here to complete the answer, this one. So I labeled it theta here. So as you can see from the drawing, there's a triangle that's formed. All right, but let's see what kind of triangle this one is by considering the given information. All right, so this one is 40 degrees, is given. All right, if you can see this north line and this north line, they are parallel to each other. So definitely, if this angle here is 40, definitely this angle right here is also 40, because they are alternate interior angles. All right. Also, this angle right here is 130 degrees. Definitely this smaller angle here next to 40 degrees, because this whole thing is a straight angle, which is 180. And you already got 130 degrees there. Definitely this smaller angle is 50. So this one is 50. I'm sorry about my drawing. It's not drawn to scale. All right. So basically this triangle that is formed is a right triangle, because you can see here, that's a 90-degree angle. All right. And then from there, in order for us to find the measure of this angle labeled theta, we can use the concept of SOH-CAH-TOA, trigonometric ratios in right triangle, specifically tangent. So we can use the formula tangent theta equals opposite divided by adjacent. All right, because these two information right here were given. right? So that's the angle labeled theta. Opposite that is 7 kilometers. And adjacent to that is 24 kilometers. All right? So tangent theta is equal to opposite is 7 divided by adjacent is 24. And then from here, we can calculate theta by using theta equals tangent inverse of 7 over 24. All right, and this will be equal to 16.26 degrees. So approximately 16 degrees. All right, so that means this smaller angle right here is 16 degrees. All right, and to answer the question, the bearing of the fishing vessel from port A, it will be 40 degrees plus 16 degrees equals to 56 degrees. Remember, 3 digits, right? So this is the answer. All right, so if you think that this question is interesting, please like the video. You can also share the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. It will be a great help. All right, once again, this is Mr. H, and thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.